I have something really exciting coming for you. What is it? It's about the YouTube handles and how you can basically use a YouTube handle. Now think about it like this. For example, if you're a creator, you create content for like 5, 10, 15, I mean not 15, but quite for a good amount of time, right? So what is going to be happening? For example, if you started from 2010 and it's 2022 right now, and you have put in like how much time? Almost like 12 years, right? And every single day you have put in content. So it's like 365 multiplied with 10, which comes to around 3.6, almost 3.6 thousand videos. I mean, like one of the best example is Pop, right? I know he has right now has changed the type of content as not uploading regularly, but he has done that. He has done some really great videos. I mean, PewDiePie has done some great videos, and so on and so forth. For example, if you're in the finance niche, if you're in the make money online niche, affiliate marketing and all that stuff, you know that you are actually providing a lead magnet to people. And after that, what happens is very simple. You get some leads, you take that lead to a great platform in which they are getting value, and you're getting some money also in return. Okay, for example, you might actually be an affiliate for an email marketing software like GetResponse. I mean, I personally love that, and I know that I am still using it. That means what? That means the person who is an affiliate is still getting money, right? Similarly, this is a legit, or you can say the right way of making money through affiliate marketing, through basically online money, right? But there are some really bad people who have done, my god, who have done some real wrong things. And what is the thing? Basically what they have done is that they are actually making money by some wrong means. By what? By actually using some telegram groups, by actually using fake names. For example, there are some people who might be using my name to collect money from you. I don't know. You see, what happens is that you are paying money thinking that you are actually taking something from me, but I am not present there. I do not know that any transaction like that has happened, right? So people are actually still now doing all of these things. So what we can actually learn from this is that we needed something. I feel that we needed something from which we can actually identify the whole thing. And what is it? What is the thing that could have helped us, right? Really simple. That was YouTube handles. And you might be thinking that how can a YouTube handle actually help us? So YouTube onto their blog has told us about this thing, which is onto the news and event section. They told introducing handles, a new way to identify your YouTube channel. So why they have uploaded the handles, I don't know. It's my own personal take. I am going to be watching with you also that why they have done this. I know the news has came on October 10th, and right now we are seeing it because I saw it previously, but I am actually waiting for all of the handles to come in. Because think about it. For example, as far as I know, Mr. Beast has a channel and the URL name is Mr. Beast 6000, right? So the username might be something like that, and I feel I have that vibe going around basically, that somehow YouTube is trying to become TikTok or something like they have in the Instagram thing. So that I think they are trying to become something just like that, and there is nothing wrong in it. This is pretty much really good. So YouTube introduced this thing, a new way to identify your YouTube channel. Okay, so what will happen is that something like this. For example, hi there, your channel is reserved, your handle is this. So you can basically change your handle, and you can go on like this, youtube.com/add the YouTube creators, which is the handle, and you can see something just like this. For many creators, YouTube isn't just a place to upload and comment on videos, it's a community and home base. Really true. And that's why Today we are introducing handles, a new way for people to easily find and engage with creators and each other on YouTube. Every channel will have a unique handle, making it easier for fans to discover content and interact with the creators they love. Okay, so handles will appear on channel pages and shorts, so they will be instantly and consistently recognizable. It'll be soon be simpler and fast, more, I mean, it will be really faster to mention each other. So basically what is going to be happening is that, for example, you come in here, and after that you will be able to see your handle, and here's the collab that you are going to be doing with the creators. Okay, so this is the whole thing that they are actually saying. So this is an official blog from YouTube. Okay, this was the thing that was being told by YouTube officially. Okay, so they are actually doing something this, that when a creator chooses a handle, we will also create a matching URL. Example, YouTube's this one, like youtube.com/@ handle, so creators can easily actually direct people to their content. So we're going to be having a personalized URL so that they can upload and automatically be redirected to the new handle based URL to create a better, more unified presence for creators on YouTube. Amazing, right? So this is the feature that they have actually launched, and I personally loved this feature. Why? Because they are doing something really amazing that is gonna be changing many things, at least the wrong things that were going around, and I was pretty much pissed up with the things. For example, whenever you go on to the I had a channel, I told you, onto the finance niche. So whenever you go on to there, you see the bots, you see some you see people who are not the real people. Like, think about it like this, you see Beheza selling some course on Forex. Okay, so you see Graham Stephan selling some course on Forex, which was pretty wrong to be true. Why? Because that is incorrect, and we needed some restrictions so that we can actually make YouTube a good place. Not just that, we can actually have our community connected, because at the end of the day, I am also a creator. It's true, I have some other faceless YouTube channels. Very true, that is a different community in which I don't show my face. So building a tribe is an important thing. If you want, I can talk about that, into that, how you can build tribes, how you can actually nurture them, and all that things. But I'm gonna be saying that this is the must thing, is to protect your tribe, and this was a necessary step that YouTube has taken, and I am sure you're gonna be loving it. Don't forget to say me in comments that what is the thing that you feel is it a right step by YouTube, or is it a wrong step? Let's see, I don't know. Just tell me in the comments that what do you think about this whole situation, about the handle thing that is being right now getting pushed by YouTube.